Alright guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to turn an image into text using Gimp. First thing you want to do is just open your image. I gotta make sure that you're in Gimp. File, open. On my desktop I saved an image as Christmas lights, so I'll open that. Make this a little bit bigger. So I used the star filter, just took a picture of Christmas lights and got that. The next thing you want to do is use the text tool, which is right over here. Click on that. You're going to want to use a pretty thick font, so I've got Super Clarendon Heavy. I'm going to just use that. You want to make sure that your text is pretty large. It'll depend on how big your image is to how big you need to make your text. Probably somewhere from like 200 to 800. This is a really big image, like a 12 megapixel image or something like that. So I'm going to have to make my text really big. Alright, so just type my name. Then I want to go to, I think it's filters. Alpha. Alright, sorry. You want to go to layer transparency. Alpha to selection. Alright, then you don't need that. But over here is where you see your layers. Alright, so with photo editing software like Photoshop and Gimp, you're dealing with multiple layers. Not just one image, but multiple images layered on top of each other. So what you're going to do is drag the text layer underneath the image. Alright, then you can see you got the dotted lines that are moving around, and that's what you want. Go to click up here on the image, then right click, and you want to add a layer mask. You want to include the selection and click add. See if it works. Alright, it works. Alright, then if you want to add a background color, you want to deselect what is currently selected, so do select none. And then, let's see, I think this is new layer. Yeah, create a new layer. Actually, you don't want a layer group though. Alright, this is create new layer. Just hit OK. Then if you want to put a background, you can use this bucket tool. If you want to change the color, you could. I'll probably just keep black. So just click on the checkered pattern here. Alright, and it creates a black background. Because the black background is currently on top, you can't see anything else. You want to drag that down to the bottom. Alright, my computer's lagging, but you can see eventually it did bring the image back up. Now it looks a little weird like this. Let's crop it so it looks more like a title or something. So let's see, crop tool, it's right there. You can just drag it, create like a rectangle around your text. Hit enter. You cropped it, and you now turned an image that you took into your name or whatever text that you want. For my photography class, I want them to use their name. So go ahead and save this. Go to File. You can save it as a project, and then we'll probably want to export it. So go to Save As. So somewhere under Desktop or let's do Documents. Create a. I've already got a folder, Photography. Let me see if I can right click. Alright, up here, create folder. So I'll create a folder for Gimp, and inside Gimp I'll just do Christmas lights, maybe Christmas lights. I'll do name Christmas lights and save it. But that saves it as a Gimp file format. We want to save it like as a picture, so let's try to export it and see if we can export it as a JPEG or something like that. The default looks like it's PNG. Let's see. Alright, here's JPEG. JPEG is probably one of the most universal file formats. Alright, unfortunately that's the type of file that's being shown, and I want to let's see. Alright, see if this will. Alright, that actually changed the file format that it's being saved as, so I'm going to export it. You can see I'm already in my Gimp folder that just created quality. Let's go ahead and do 100. Export. Alright, so then if I were to go to my Finder, go to Documents, Photography, Gimp. Alright, I've got, this is the Gimp project where I could continue to edit if I wanted to make changes. And this is the image that I created that can be opened on your phone, on a tablet. You can put it up on Facebook, whatever you want.